Chit Chat English.
Is there a gym here? Yes, there's a gym on the first floor. Can I get a discount? Sure, I can offer you a 5% discount. Is it far from here? No, it's not far. It's about a 10-minute walk. Do you have Wi-Fi here? Yes, we have free Wi-Fi for customers. Where is the nearest subway station? The nearest subway station is just around the corner. What languages do you speak? I speak English and Spanish. Can I leave my luggage here? Yes, you can leave your luggage at the reception. How much does it cost to send this package? It costs $15 to send this package. Can you wake me up at 7 a.m.? Sure, I'll set a wake-up call for 7 a.m. Where can I exchange money? You can exchange money at the bank across the street. Do you have a table for two? Yes, we have a table for two available. How do I use this appliance? Let me show you how to use it. It's quite simple. Can you call me a taxi? Certainly, I'll call a taxi for you right away. Do you know a good dentist around here? Yes, there's a very good dentist on Elm Street. Can I take photos here? Yes, you're welcome to take photos. How long does the journey take? The journey takes about 30 minutes by train. Can I have the bill, please? Certainly, I'll bring the bill to your table right away. Can I try these shoes in a size 8? Sure, I'll bring a size 8 for you to try on. Where can I buy a local SIM card? You can buy a local SIM card at any convenience store or at the airport. Can I book a tour here? Yes, you can book various tours at the reception desk. Do you have any rooms available for tonight? Yes, we do have a few rooms available for tonight. How do I say goodbye in your language? In my language, you say goodbye as adios. Can I have a coffee, please? Sure. Would you like it black or with milk? Do you accept foreign currency? I'm sorry, we only accept the local currency and credit cards. What are the best local dishes to try? I recommend trying the local fish stew and the homemade pasta. Can you help me with my bags? Certainly, let me assist you with those. Is it safe to walk around at night? Yes, it's generally safe, but it's always best to stay in well-lit areas. Can I have some sugar, please? Certainly, here you go. Where can I buy tickets for the concert? Tickets are available online or at the box office on Queen Street. Where is the nearest hospital? The nearest hospital is about 10 minutes away by car. Can I have some more coffee, please? Of course, I'll bring you some more coffee right away. How do I apply for a visa? You need to fill out an application form and submit it to the embassy. Can I order room service? Yes, room service is available 24 hours. Can I get an extra pillow? Sure, I'll bring you an extra pillow right away. How do I check my balance at the ATM? First, insert your card, enter your PIN, and then select the check balance option. Can I have a side salad instead of fries? Of course, we can substitute fries with a side salad for you. What's the local time zone? The local time zone is Eastern Standard Time, UTC-5. How do I say I'm lost in your language? In my language, you would say je suis perdu for I'm lost. What's a polite way to say goodbye after a job interview? You can say, "Thank you for the opportunity to interview. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Goodbye for now." Could you please speak more quietly? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was being loud. I can't make it tomorrow. Can we reschedule? Sure, how about next Tuesday? Could you say that again? Sure. I said we need to meet at 10 a.m. Can I get a window seat on the plane? Sure, I can arrange a window seat for you when you check in. What's for dinner tonight? We're having spaghetti and salad. Can you help me with the dishes? Sure, I'll help you clean up. Are the kids asleep yet? Yes, they went to bed an hour ago. Can you turn down the TV? It's quite loud. Of course, I'll lower the volume. Can you pick up the kids from school tomorrow? No problem, I'll get them. Did you remember to pay the electricity bill? Yes, I paid it online this morning. Do we need to go grocery shopping this weekend? Yes, we're running low on a few things. Is there any laundry that needs to be done? Yes, there's a load of whites that needs washing. Can we watch a movie tonight? That sounds like a great idea.